Alright, we're back again, running the trap line. I set a couple snares here yesterday, one in a bank den and one on a caster mount set. And sneaking around the corner here, as you can see, I do have a beaver in this snare. Yeah, he's jumping into the water. At least he's trying. But he's not going to quite make her. But this is not a really big beaver. And I got him in the caster mount snare. So, what we're going to do is we're going to shut the video off here. I'm going to dispatch this beaver with my 22, and then I'm going to remake this caster mount set here and see if I can talk my daughter into videotaping it. So, alright.